Hi, welcome back to easyFab Design Studio. We're going to continue looking at different ways to make quilt blocks, and we're going to be working with the pre-colored quilt blocks. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is go in, click on Templates, and we're going to call it Road Trip. I've already written it down, and hit OK. We're going to go to Quilt Blocks Pre-Colored, and I'm going to pick my Flying Geese block, which is one of my favorites. First thing I'm going to do again is move the toolbox bar out of the way. Now the most important thing when you're working with pre-colored blocks is to click on multi-areas. This tells the program that when you click on a color, it's going to fill the same color all over, and it makes it go much faster. So you're not sitting there and clicking on each tiny little part of the flying geese. The next thing we're going to do in order is going to insert our photo. And again, we've placed our photos in a file on our desktop. And I've picked out my girl and dog photo. And I'm going to place it over my center where we've removed the area for the photo. And you want to make sure it's completely covered. So I got to go back up. Slide it up a little bit. And then the next thing in line is managing your layers. So click on Manage Layers, and we're going to force the photo back behind the template. So, and now we can still move this around and get it exactly where we want. Okay. If you wanted to even make it a little bit larger, you can still make it larger and bring out the photo of the girl and dog more. All right, now we're ready to use the fun part of pre-colored templates when you go into the design area. We picked lions, robots, rockets, oh my, as our choice. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on my red fabric and fill my geese. You notice I clicked on one and it filled all the same colored geese. Now I'm going to do the background of the geese. I'm going to choose my next color, click on in one place, and it'll autofill all that same color. So we're almost done. It's amazing how fast this goes. Now the last thing I'm going to do is fill in this little area. And being it's a road trip, we have this great little car fabric, and I'm going to click here, and again it will fill them all in, and I'm basically done. If I don't like my choices, I would just click undo, and I'm ready to go on to my next step, which is inserting text. So I'm going to do some yellow text this time to match the suitcase. I picked 96 as my size, Lucid Bright, and I'm going to click on Add My New Text, and I'm going to come down below here, because when you add text on top of a photo, it always moves it for some reason, and I'm going to type road trip. And once that is done, I'm going to click outside the box and then carefully move it over my picture. There we go. You can see it. It looks great. And again, you saw that little shift. So I'm going to move my picture down a little bit more. And it's done. You can save your template next. And then you can print it out, and you can put this in a quilt with many different blocks, or if you want to use this as a center pillow, center block inside a pillow or on a tote bag, enjoy it. It's wonderful. And these are our pre-colored quilt block templates.